Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Mailchimp AI to segment audiences and automate emails, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up Mailchimp AI for audience segmentation and email automation, first, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Audience tab on the main dashboard. If you don't have an audience yet, click on Create Audience and follow the prompts to set one up. After establishing your audience, go to the Audience dashboard and select the audience you want to segment. Next, access the Manage Audience drop-down menu and choose Settings. Scroll down to find the Audience Fields and Merge Tags section. Here, ensure you have the necessary fields to collect relevant data for segmentation, such as location, interests, and purchase history. After verifying those fields, return to the Audience dashboard and select the Segments option. Click on Create Segment to begin the process. In the Segment Builder, you will see various options for creating criteria based on audience data. Choose the criteria that are most relevant to your campaign goals, such as demographics or engagement levels. You can also use the predictive segmentation feature powered by Mailchimp AI to identify likely future behaviors. After setting your criteria, click on Preview Segment to see the potential audience that matches your conditions. Once satisfied, save the segment with a clear and descriptive name. Now, to automate your emails, go to the Campaigns tab. Click on Create Campaign and choose Email. Select Automated from the options presented to you. In this next step, you will specify your trigger conditions, which will determine when the automated emails are sent. Set your trigger to respond to actions, such as joining your list or completing a purchase. Once configured, you can customize the content of your emails in the Campaign Builder. Use personalization options to make your emails more engaging for the segmented audiences. After crafting your emails, set your sending schedule based on your audience's peak engagement times. Finally, review your automation settings and click on Start Sending to activate your automated email sequence. Monitor the performance of your campaigns through Mailchimp's Analytics dashboard. Feel free to make adjustments to your audience segments or email content based on performance data for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.